Ashley's mom stepped forward. We should check her car. If she doesn't have anything to hide, she'll let us look. I'm not letting you search my car because someone misplaced a gift. Misplaced? Ashley's voice went shrill. You stole from a pregnant woman, from your own family. Madison gasped dramatically. I knew something was off about her. She's been lurking around all day like she was pacing the
They would
place.
determine my
I've been trying to
fate.
avoid conversations
I
about my
scored 24
reproductive
points,
choices.
4 assists,
Another
and
mom
1
pointed
rebound.
at me. She's getting defensive. Classic guilty behavior. The circle of women tightened around me. Someone suggested calling the police. Another said they should check my purse right now. Ashley's assistant started describing me to someone on the phone like I was a wanted criminal. She's about 5'6", brown hair. Ashley pointed toward the door. Get out. You're not welcome here. And don't even think about coming to the gender reveal. I grabbed my purse while 30 women watched my walk of shame. Someone yelled, "We know where you live," as I reached my car. 2 hours later, Ashley called me sobbing. Not apologizing, sobbing. Her husband found their golden retriever, Bentley, under the back porch. The dog had dragged the gift bag through the doggy door. Their Ring camera caught the whole thing.